Here I have Vivo X80 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes on this device. So firstly you have to open Google application, which you have pre-installed on your device. Tap on the camera icon here, then tap open photo gallery. Allow. Then search with your camera. So now let's scan, for example, this QR code. As you can see, as soon as my phone spots it, it shows me the page which has been encoded to this QR code. So you just tap on the search button and it instantly opens that page. So yeah, that's how it works. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.